Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Garena Partner Program. Begin by preparing your portfolio and gathering channel stats to meet eligibility. Next, sign into your Garena Creator dashboard and locate the partner application form to start. Follow each field carefully, upload required assets, and verify your contact details. Aim for clarity, consistent branding, and examples of audience engagement to boost approval chances. Start the application by signing into your Garena Creator dashboard and accessing the Partner section. Fill every field with accurate channel details and concise descriptions of your content focus. Upload required assets such as clips, banners, and ID verification to support your submission. Double-check email addresses and links before hitting submit. After applying, monitor your dashboard for status updates and prepare to respond promptly to any follow-up requests. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep a breeze and keep sauces from ruining your stream setup, which is perfect for long sessions. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time between streams. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a set if you want one, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent schedules and active audience engagement to strengthen your application. Emphasize average watch time, chat participation, and repeat viewership in your portfolio examples. Use professional thumbnails, clear channel branding, and concise clip selections that showcase your best moments. If asked for more information, respond quickly and politely. These small improvements can make your channel stand out and increase the likelihood of Garena granting partnership privileges.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.